Hi, I'm Cynthia and welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make some roasted chicken. And roasted chicken, I know, can sometimes just be like, oh, it's chicken. But something about roasted chicken and coming home to a chicken roasting in the oven just really feels like home for me, and I know for my family. It's one of their favorite meals. And so I probably make it, once every couple of weeks when I have some time. We need to make the rub for our chicken, and this rub is gonna come to you in a handy dandy little autumn spice rub like this. But what I thought I would do today is make it from scratch. And so I went and picked the rosemary for it. So here we are. You can see what the roasting pan looks like. We've got the fresh kale, some lovely cut up purple onions. We've got some fresh carrots just cut up. So this is just gonna help season our already delicious chickens. So here are our ginormous Beretta birds. These are birds that we actually raised here on the farm. I usually put them opposite corners because they fit a little bit better. So we've got the fresh rub. Here we are. I've made it. It's nice and all mixed in, and this is the part where you're just gonna get dirty. So we're gonna put some with the spoon on top of each bird. So our chickens are ready to go in the oven. I'm gonna leave it uncovered for about 20 minutes at a high temperature of about 400 so it gets the skin nice and crispy. Then I'm gonna lower the temperature to about 350, cover them, and let them cook till done. And when they're done, they're at an internal temperature of about 170, 175, and then you know you're done. Thanks.